Alright, so in my house, the air conditioning and heating and HVAC stuff just doesn't work in my room. So I rely on this air conditioner and space heater to regulate the temperature in my room. And I had no previous solution for ventilation. So now I have this box here where you can see we have 3 plugs. And this left plug goes to the space heater, the middle plug goes to the air conditioner, and the right plug goes to an outdoor fan. And additionally, we have a temperature and humidity sensor inside, a long cable which goes to the other end of the room for another sensor, and on the outside we have a third temperature and humidity sensor with this extension cable. And additionally, we have this cable which runs to the servo on the valve. So I'll show you how that works here with the manual overrides. So first I'll turn on the space heater. As you can see, now it turned on, and you heard the click. Now I'll just turn it back off. And next I'll turn on the fan. As you can see, the fan back there spins up and the door opens. If I press it again, it closes. And finally I can turn on and off the air conditioner. And this whole system runs on a PID loop to control it, and it also has automatic learning for the room model it has. So it tracks how much these sensors affect the room over time, and uses that to calibrate itself over the course of a couple days or months or whatever. And I made the code super easy to use if you want to build it yourself. I will not be providing a wiring diagram because it is dealing with AC, and that's very dangerous. So yeah, thanks for watching.